Hi guys, today we are going to talk about what is data blending and database in Tableau. So basically, data blending in Tableau is it's providing the feature of analysis on multiple data sources dataset. This feature called data blending in Tableau. By using this feature, we can apply join union on multiple data sources. This will help when we have multiple data connection in our data warehouses. System or multiple types of data, i.e. SQL Server and Excel, MySQL and SQL Server, SQL Server and HDFS, etc. Prerequisition for creating data blending in Tableau, we need to have all data source table names, connection and login credentials to connect the data sources. Okay, so for creating a data blending in Tableau, for showing an example, I took two data sources, department and employee. So these are two different data sources, and uh, that is somewhere from SQL Server and somewhere from Excel. So I have created a extract over both the data sources and use the extract for showing the example, because that is a live connection, that is a connection. I do not want it to show it to others for the security reason. So I just created extract over it. So this is the way you can use the extract directly, and that will be providing the highest security for your connection for your data source. So now what I am doing here, I am going to show you how to create a data blending. So for that I just use both of the data sources by using add new. So right now I am having two data sources over it, right? So I am having two data sources, then I would be creating a connection between two data sources. So there will be a relational type of field which should be available. I do not know what should be the right key over it, so I do have to find it. I can see employee ID is common in both these data sources. I'm just converting it to dimension, because dimension is only the key where we there where dimension is the key field in data warehouses, and measures are only for calculation. So department ID will also be in a dimension over here, right? Here employee ID is a dimension. So I'm converting it to dimension. Now I'm having all these things settled up. Now I'm having employee ID in common. Now I have to do a data blending in both of these data sources. For that I have to go to edit relationship. I have to find what is the blending happened. So there is a relationship between two data sources will be created. Right now it is automatically created. Automatically identified the fields which are common in both data sources. Now I can see the employee ID is common in both the data sources, but I am not sure if the name is same, because department is name maybe in name field in department would be a department name, and in employee that would be employee name. I am removing it. Only employee ID is a common field here. Just finish it. Now what I have to do, I have to create a report over it. I am showing the employee ID. Instead of employee ID, I am showing the department. I'm showing the name of department here, right? And I wanted to show the bonus field as well as the employee salary. Okay, so there will be a dual axis type of data set, changing it to bar, differentiating the values, nominator, name, color, sum of bonus and sum of sales. The sum of bonus would be in a square or circle. Sum of color is in bonus is in bar, salary is in circle, right? So I can see the salary are common for all these data sets. Why? Because we have created a relationship between two data sources, but I did not created a join over it. For creating a join over it, I have to click on this icon, which is showing as, which is used for use employee ID linked field. So this will be creating a link between two data sources. Now my different second data source is showing in different a location, right? It will be dynamic for all the data sources. So this is the way I can create a blending in data sources, and I can see when I'm doing it, I can see there is a basic data set differences showing here, and everything will be in a same chart, right? This is the way we can create blending operate. We can use multiple data sources. We can create a blending on all these data sources. Fine, helpful. Thank you.